Don Corleone, Pitbull, everybody report to the dance flowing. Tu bailas como una descarada, pero a mí me encanta, dale descarada. Tu bailas como una descarada, pero a mí me encanta. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn that thing around, turn that thing around, turn that thing around. Get your ass up and dance to the same thing now. And we gon' tear this thing down. I'ma drop to the floor, bring it back, make it lift in, then turn around. Mama in front of me, let her be a freely. Mama in front of me, better know how sweet. She showed me her I showed her my She like, you crazy, I'm like, you crazy. Order another round, rather shot. You go, girl, drop like it's hot. This just how we get down, and it won't stop. Here we go again, hands high. Kill 'em with the flow again, hands high. Kill 'em with the flow again, there's no excuse. Get your ass up and dance. Tu bailas como una descarada, pero a mí me encanta, dale descarada. Tu bailas como una descarada, pero a mí me encanta, dale descarada. Turn that thing around, turn that thing around, turn that thing around. Get your ass up and dance.
If the sides move your waistline, listen to jump and hit it with a baseline. Supervise, pick up cartel one time. Feel litty and your city for my body and mind. Baby, you design the right one. Some girl have to go down the line and night time. They pan if you resign, you find a bright time. We find me start trying to my grind. So me love it when she shakes like Japanese earthquakes, tectonic planes. When she gyrate, that's what that lady creates. You go for the real life, 52 stage. Just make people pick them grades. So from the closest girl, from shoes to the bird, streets not the rain on your face. Get up on.
Tu bailas como una descarada, pero a mí me encanta, dale descarada. Tu bailas como una descarada, pero a mí me encanta, dale descarada. Turn that thing around, turn that thing around, turn that thing around. Get your ass up and dance. Get your ass up and dance. Get your ass up and dance. Tu bailas como una descarada, pero a mí me encanta, dale descarada. Turn that thing around, turn that thing around, turn that thing around. Get your ass up and dance.
This dance is Descarada, choreographed by Joey Warren. It's a 32 count, 2 plus 2 wall line dance. That means that the choreographer wrote it as a 2 wall dance, but there is a tag which forces it in the middle of the dance to be on the side walls also. So the dance, section 1, starting with the right foot. Heel grind, recover and heel and touch to side, touch together, side, behind, quarter turn right, on left diagonal, step, lock, step. Section 2, rock forward, recover, out, out, shoulders left, center, together, forward, pivot a half turn left, quarter turn left, touch left behind, unwind, a half turn left, back to 12. Section 3, cross, back with a quarter turn right, out, out, in cross, side, behind, side, cross, sweep, right around, making a quarter turn left, forward. Now facing 12. Last section. Kick left forward, make a quarter turn left, touch right to side, quarter turn left, kick right forward, touch left forward, left. Coaster, step, walk forward, right, left. This is the end of the dance. I'm facing 6 o'clock, weights on my left, and I start over with the heel, grind, and heel, and touch. Now let me go over the dance with the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. There is a 16 count tag. It happens 3 times. It happens at the start of the dance facing 9 o'clock. Then you do 3 32 count walls and the tag happens again facing 6 o'clock. And you do 3 32 count walls and the tag happens a final time facing 3 o'clock. And then you do 2 4 walls and you start the last wall at 6 o'clock. So let's do the tag facing 9 o'clock, which is where the dance starts. It's 16 counts. Section 1 of the tag, starting with the right foot, brush, step forward, pivot half turn left, keeping weight on right, shuffle forward, left, right, left, brush, step forward, pivot a half turn left, keeping weight on right, shuffle forward, left, right, left. Section 2 of the tag. Quarter turn left, stepping right to side. Counterclockwise hip roll, clockwise hip roll, touch left, across, side, sailor half turn left. So you'll see that the tag has turned me from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. That's about a quarter clockwise. Now the tag with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's all the steps and the counts. So let's just talk about where you'll be facing on the different walls and tags. So it starts with a tag at 9 o'clock. That leaves you at 12. You do 3 full walls. So you start at 12, 6, 12, which brings you to 6. You do a tag, which leaves you at 9. You do 3 full walls. You start at 9, at 3, at 9, which leaves you at 3. The final tag will take you to 6. You do 2 more falls. You start at 6, you start at 12, that brings you back to 6, and then the final short wall starts at 6. And that's the whole dance.